Hello, children. Let's play today What is Sam Doing? An English learning game. Will you help me? At the end of the video, we'll see Sam dressed up. It's a surprise. Okay, what is Sam doing? Sam is doing something. What is he doing? Sam is eating. Sam is eating a pizza with his friends. Yummy. Do you like pizza? I like pizza and Sam likes pizza too. Let's see what Sam is doing. What is Sam doing in this picture? Can you help me? Very good. Sam is zipping up his coat. He's zipping up his coat with a zip. Very good. Look, Sam has a lovely new yellow coat. Excellent. Let's see what Sam is going to do now. What is Sam doing? Sam is on a boat. Very good. He's sailing on a boat. Boat, boat. There's also bear, and a bee. Sam's with his friends on his boat. He's got a bear with him, and there are bees, and I can see a lovely big blue whale on top of him. What's Sam doing now? Sam is very, very, very strong. He's climbing, right? Climb. Very good. Sam is climbing. He's climbing to the top of the mountain. Can you see Sam is wearing a helmet on his head? Very good, Sam. What is Sam doing now? Oh, it's such a nice day. Look, it's snowing outside. Sam's looking out the window, and I think maybe slowly it's becoming night. But what is Sam doing? Very good. Sam is drinking. Drinking. I think he's drinking a hot chocolate. What is sweet Sam doing? He's so cute. What's he doing? Sam has got his backpack on his back, and I think he's going out for that's right, he's going for a walk. Walk. Sam is walking. Can you say after me? Sam is walking. Very good. You're very good at this. It's very good fun to play with you. What's Sam doing now? Sam, look, he's up in the sky with the birds. That's right. Sam is flying. Flying. Can you say after me? Sam is flying. Let's hear you now. Very good. Sam is flying. You are excellent. Very good. Now let's see what surprise we have at the end. Look at Sam. What's he dressed up as? Can you see? Sam is dressed up as a musician. You did this so nicely. If you like the video, you can press the like and ask your parents if you can subscribe, because Sam wants lots and lots of new friends so that we can learn English together. See you next time. Goodbye.